Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we're going to be decorating the workshop for Christmas 2022. I've already got all the decorations back here on the workbench, and for a dusty workshop that is constantly changing, I do not go all out with Christmas decorations, but I do put some up. I've got a little Christmas tree, some lights, a Santa hat, and I'm going to put all that on the workbench back here around everything and display it back here because I don't want nothing getting damaged or have decorations that get in the way. I will do more decorating later on in the house and everything, you know, put up the nice Christmas tree with the nice family heirloom ornaments and all on it. But I'm really looking forward to it and looking forward to making some amazing seasonal videos and everything. Christmas is a very special time for everybody, and it's also a sad time for some people. So if some people can get on here and see my videos and see that I'm bright and cheerful, maybe it'll brighten their day. Hopefully that will happen. I hate to see anyone sad or lonely during the Christmas and holiday season. Once I get all the decorating done though, I am going to explain to you guys how I plan on wrapping up the year 2022 with the holiday themed videos and going about what I'm going to do for the next year. But stay tuned for all that. Right now, let me move the camera somewhere where you guys can see a full shot of the back wall here, and I'll get started decorating. And that is how I decorate for Christmas out here in the workshop. Again, I'm really looking forward to the holiday season. This has been my most productive year out here in the workshop. I have ramped up video production and done all that. I introduced the Wednesday videos, starting with the train room videos, and then they've developed into more tip videos for out here in the workshop, to where I don't have to be as precise when like filming a full project. I can give y'all a subject matter and explain that. And then I also introduced the YouTube Shorts, those little 60-second videos you can do directly from your phone, and those have been good, and I've got a lot of great comments, and I have just gained so much momentum out here in the workshop doing things and also other things in my life, and I want to keep it going. But as we come to the end of the year, you guys know I take an end of the year break. Every time I do this, people will always comment if I'm stopping doing the YouTube videos or anything, and it's not that. I just need a break. I want to prevent burnout as long as I can, and I plan to do Monday weekly woodworking videos of some kind all the way to about mid-December, and then I will stop filming videos for the year. For the Monday videos, I might film some Wednesday videos. They might not be every week going to the end of the year as it gets colder and it takes longer for things to warm up during the day, and then I get busy during the day and don't have time to film. So with that being in mind, I'm not going nowhere. You know, I'm going to try to keep this format that we have made this year with the Monday, Wednesday, and a short video going for as long as I can. Again, I want to prevent burnout. That's why I stop mid-December every year and spend time and focus entirely on my family, spending time with them, and then coming out here in the workshop and just being creative to where I don't have to be in front of the camera, where I can make some individual projects and try new skills. I want to do some new stuff on the CNC machine, on the laser cutter and everything, and that will give me time to learn the software and the hardware that goes along with it, to where I can sit and focus and not have to worry about a weekly deadline for a few weeks. My break will go from, like I said, around mid mid-December to probably the end of January, and then I will start filming again out here in the workshop. Again, the Wednesday videos may or may not continue. I am toying with that through the end of the year or while I'm on my break. But while I'm on my break, a video will not be uploaded. I will post to the community forum on my YouTube channel and show you guys what I'm doing, but I will not stop making in that time, just to let you guys know. Just always follow me over on my social medias. I'm always posting there with the stories, trying to give little tips and tidbits along the way. And I'm so appreciative of each and every one of my subscribers. I've just crossed 7,000 subscribers, and you guys have no idea how much that humbles me. I love being out here and making and tinkering, and as long as you guys keep tuning in, I'm going to try to keep putting out the videos as long as I can, as long as I'm able to, time-wise and everything. But I really appreciate everything, and just to let you know, I'm not going nowhere. It's just I'm taking the time to spend Christmas with my family and my friends, and I think everybody needs that. Everybody needs to know that they're loved out there in the world, and, you know, I just sit back and enjoy the camaraderie of my friends and enjoy the cozy times with my family, where we just sit around and have meals together and talk about old times and, you know, just reminisce about the year. But really, really cool. Thank you guys for sticking with me while I explain this. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. Links to all my social medias will always be down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one. And remember, guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.